So if you want to unlike or reels on the Facebook app, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, launch the Facebook app on your device. Once you have launched the Facebook app, you have to scroll through your newsfeed and here you have to go for your reels here. Just go and scroll through your newsfeed. Once you are on your reel, you have to just tap on that reel and here you can like that reel here. After liking that reel, you have to just go back and navigate to your hamburger option, which is on the top right corner of the screen. You have to scroll down and go with setting and privacy and go and tap on the setting. So once you are here, you have to scroll down and go for your activity. And once you are on your activity, you have to just go for your activity log. And here you have to scroll down or swipe up to the right here, and you will see the source history here. So you can see your activity history too. So you can see the like and reaction here. Just go for the like and reaction. So if you want to remove your like on your reels, just go for the reels that you have liked and simply tap on that like option. So this way you can easily unlike the reels on your Facebook app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.